present time, we would have, I think, in round figures, approximately 50 individuals from Syria who since March 2011 have come to Ireland seeking refugee status. That has been granted substantially. I think there's another 5 whose respect to whom a decision awaits. There's always verification of identity. Other matters have to be addressed. So we haven't turned anyone away who sought political asylum here from Syria. It's an issue, of course, I'm very familiar with. Wearing my hat as Minister for Justice, we've had extensive discussions at European Union level about providing financial supports to the main countries that have taken in refugees. Europe and the EU has provided very substantial supports to countries such as Jordan and Turkey and Lebanon. And Ireland, as you know, we've provided 10.8 million euros. A large portion of that has gone to the UN Commission for Refugees. About $1 million has gone to aid organisations who are working in Syria. But it's an enormous human catastrophe. As I said earlier, I'm not optimistic that there's going to be a solution to the conflict that's taking place in Syria, and there's a very substantial risk that the almost 2 million figure that has been reached in the number of refugees will be substantially exceeded.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.